Everyone, I'm at Michael's dorm, and what we're gonna do, getting something simple that I can cook in the dorm and Michael can cook it later on his own or with his friend. I'm gonna do it today with whatever he has over here is the corn, and we're gonna make corn fritter. So let's see whether I can whip it up a bit different than my previous video. So this one's gonna have whatever utensil that he has, whatever equipment that he has. I hope I can make this right. Come. So what we have is, he bought this bag of corn. I don't know what he's gonna do after this with the corn. But yeah, gonna use frozen corn. If you have fresh corn, it's like I usually use fresh corn. Okay, so let's see the measurement. Oh, okay, I need to measure this one. I guess it's about 2 cups of corn. Yep. Okay. Michael, can you come here and see? Can get this corn here. And I have to like squeeze it a little bit. I don't have anything, so I think the Bailey's cup work. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna smash a little bit so the corn is not like the kernel type. So it's a bit smash and squash a little bit. I don't have that mortar here, so as I said, we use whatever we have. Just a little bit. You don't need to like mash it up, just to make sure it's slightly squashed. Okay, looking good. So, yep, just slightly squash like this will do. Then I already have this shallot, but Michael used red onion. Well, that's what he has. Gonna put it in. Then the garlic. Again, I minced the garlic and then I smash it with this one as this one too. Get the salt now. You can put like, okay, salt. It's about half teaspoon will do. And I got my pepper. This one I brought it from Jakarta. So about 1/4 of salt will white pepper. Right, and then the coconut milk. See, the one that we used to make the watermelon drink yesterday. Still have the leftover. Gonna cut this coconut milk. Okay, 3 tablespoons. My egg. Get the egg. Okay. Then flour. Oops. Michael bought the whole wheat flour, so we can have that whole wheat flour. Right. There you go. Gonna put a little bit of sugar. Just a bit. That's about a 1/4 teaspoon. If you like spicy, and then you can put like chili here. Do you want to put chili? Paprika? You can do so. I'm gonna make it plain like this. You can put chili powder. Okay, and that's it. Time to heat up the oil. Okay, now we are ready to fry. the corn fritter. Come over here, Michael. He has this induction stove. Okay, now here, heated the oil already in the pot with little oil because yeah, he has little oil. So okay, I think I can put 4 of these. Don't overcrowd the pan as usual. In this case, it's a pot. I think I can put 4 fritter, right? And again, I need to use this spoon. All right, nicely golden browned. Time to get it out from the oil. Oh my God, mind my giant stuff here. Just ignore this giant stuff. Focus on the corn fritter. This is what I have that I can use just to drain the oil. So, yep, my first batch done. Then dipping down the second batch. Yeah, then just stew. You want to make it like small, big, 1 spoon, half spoon. Then you can have like corn fritter popcorn, something like that, if you make it small. And yep, do until everything's finished and fried. That's what we're gonna do. All right, last batch. Oh my God, this thing is so giant, I don't know how to handle it. Okay. Okay. Killing off the heat now. Right. Look at that, all done. Let's get to the plate now. Here. See, it's so good. Okay, I like it. Michael, here. Try, Michael. There we go, there we go. There you go. Love you, son.